Hi, I'm Mary Pat with Frayed Flower, and I'm here opening my brand new box of Johnny Loves June. So excited. So here we have the carnival bracelet. Yes, you heard me right. It's a bracelet. Can also be worn as a fabulous necklace. I'm going to take it off so I can kind of show you. I'll just wrap it real quick. This is so stinking cute. Gotta love that. It's the hand-stitched leather. All handcrafted. Love, love Johnny Loves June. So that can be worn as a necklace or a bracelet. And then we have this Five Graces necklace. Again with the hand-done leather. This beautiful beads. Love it, love it. Gonna go with everything this summer. And you know what? The beauty of this can be worn all year round. It's not just summer. Love it. Hey, go to our Facebook page at fb.com/frayedflower. Visit us on Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And all of these pieces will be available on our website at frayedflower.com. Thanks for shopping, guys.